Ready. Loker coy. PT Kereta Cepat Indonesia China.
Mandarin interpreter, job descriptions, translate the meeting, reports, formal letter work, and also in meeting or internal event or any activities into genuine Bahasa Indonesia, Mandarin, or Mandarin, English, vice versa, if needed including but not limited, translate any documents including technical terms, especially for construction and railway terms, assist expatriates to communicate with local employees, do coordination work or administrative, do daily or weekly or annual report. Requirements: candidate must possess at least bachelor's degree in electrical or civil or mechanical engineering or hospitality or human resources or Chinese language, at least 2 years of working experience as an interpreter or in the related field, translate or interpreter, coordination, teamwork, good communication, adaptability, independent, etc. discipline, easy to communicate and well organized, able to work in a fast-paced environment and resolve issues efficiently and effectively. Required languages: Bahasa Indonesia, Mandarin, HSK4, English, must have good writing, reading, listening, and speaking skills. Recruitment provisions: applicant is willing to resign from other institutions if they fulfilled the requirements and announced passing the selection. Admission selection is using a knockout system and committee decision cannot be changed. More information about this recruitment can be reached by phone number +62 813 8478 8643. To ensure that the selection and offer-related communication comes only from the official web https://ksic.co.id/informasi/career. PT KCIC does not charge a fee at any stage of its recruitment process or other fee, or request information on applicants' bank accounts. To apply for job vacancies, go to kcic.com and click on Career Opportunity. Application requirements: curriculum vitae, CV, copy of identity card, KTP, copy of degree certificate, ijazah, copy of transcript nilai, certificate of training or any certificate related, certificate of HSK, Pandu Philippine Koshi. Selection stage: Stage 1, Administration. Stage 2, Interview user. Stage 3, Psychological assessment. Stage 4, Offering. Stage 5, Signing contract.
Daftarkan dirimu secara online melalui link yang tertera di deskripsi video. Send it. Let's pray. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Good luck.